Welcome to This Explainer. Look, if your backpack feels like it's literally filled with bricks every single time you head out to a coffee shop or the airport, you're going to want to pay close attention today. We're diving into a practical, no-nonsense buying guide designed specifically for remote workers who are completely over lugging around heavy laptops.
So, here's the million-dollar question we're tackling. Can a tablet finally replace your laptop for remote work? I mean, we've all heard this promise for years, right? But if you've ever tried wrestling with a cramped airplane tray table, you know the struggle of standard laptops, and you probably also know that previous tablets just kind of haven't cut it. Laptops like the MacBook Air continue to sell like crazy because that whole tablet replacement dream just hasn't fully materialized. But let's see if a new contender can finally deliver. When you actually look at the Huawei MatePad Pro Max sitting right next to a heavyweight like the iPad Air M3, it really sets the stage for our hardware evaluation. The reviewer in our source material was firmly in the "a tablet will never replace my MacBook Air" camp, at least until they tested this specific setup. So we're going to break down exactly what makes this device so different from the tablets that came before it.
To figure out if this can genuinely replace your laptop, we'll run it through our ultimate remote worker checklist. First, input capabilities. Second, portability and display. Third, software and battery. And finally, the verdict. Let's get right into it.
Okay, Section 1, Input. We're talking keyboards and trackpads.
You know the drill with older, clunky tablet keyboards. They forced a massive compromise. You were constantly reaching up to poke the screen while trying to type on cramped keys, and it never felt natural. But the MatePad Keyboard Folio completely changes the game. It brings all your familiar laptop gestures to a super portable format. We're talking proper 3-finger swipes and true right-click functionality. I mean, just look at the layout on this Folio. It's the perfect bridge between a tablet and a traditional laptop. It makes the transition from something like a MacBook incredibly smooth because the physical interaction is basically identical. You aren't losing a step in your typing or navigating speed.
And honestly, it's not just about the keyboard. Since it is a tablet, you get incredible stylus support with the Huawei M Pencil Pro. Get this, ultra-low latency and a massive 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity. That is a huge flexibility advantage over most standard laptops that completely lack pen input. For remote workers needing to sign docs, sketch out an idea, or take handwritten notes during a Zoom call, it's not a gimmick, it's a serious productivity tool.
Moving right along to Section 2, portability and anti-glare screens. Okay, this number is just staggering, 4.7 millimeters. The MatePad Pro Max is literally just 4.7 millimeters thin. To put that into perspective, that makes it even slimmer than the famously thin iPad Pro. When you're traveling, every single millimeter and every gram counts.
When you view it straight from the side, you can truly appreciate the engineering here. If you're going to ditch your laptop, the replacement needs to feel noticeably lighter and easier to carry, right? Well, this razor-thin edge proves it absolutely delivers.
Let's look at the raw specs for a second, because the advantages really pile up. The tablet itself, just 499 grams. Even if you snap on the keyboard and the stylus, it's still lighter than a MacBook Air M3. And despite being incredibly light, it packs a massive 13.2-inch flexible OLED screen, plus a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1600 nits. Because the bezels are like 3.5 millimeters thin, Huawei somehow managed to squeeze a 13-inch screen into a footprint you'd expect from an 11 or 12-inch tablet. So zero sacrifices on screen real estate.
But here is the absolute kicker for us remote workers, the PaperMatte OLED display. This anti-reflective coating completely kills screen glare. If you've ever tried squinting at a glossy laptop screen while sitting under a bright coffee shop window, you know it is a nightmare. Our source actually noted this feature alone is something they desperately wish Apple would put on their MacBooks. It makes a massive difference for eye strain and visibility.
All right, Section 3, software and battery life. Can it survive a workday away from a plug? Now, software is historically where tablets pretending to be laptops completely fall apart. The MatePad runs on HarmonyOS, which means no Google services straight out of the box. But there's a workaround. It just takes a quick multi-step process to sideload, which just means manually install your essentials like YouTube, Gmail, Drive, and Slack. Once you're set up, the reviewer found that running Google Chrome feels incredibly close to a full desktop browser experience. And honestly, having desktop-class browsing is absolutely crucial for making this genuinely usable for heavy-duty work.
And supporting all those heavy browser tabs is this beast of a number, a 10,400 milliamp hour battery. It's kind of hard to wrap your head around how they shoved a battery that huge into a frame that's only 4.7 millimeters thick.
Plus, it's not just about the size of the battery, it's how fast you can top it up. With 66-watt fast charging, you're pretty much guaranteed a full 8-hour workday. Our source noted it comfortably powers through a full day of work, no problem. For us, that means you can leave your charger stuffed in your bag and stop playing that game where you desperately scan the room for an open wall outlet.
Finally, Section 4. The final verdict. The moment of truth.
When you see this whole setup, the massive 13.2-inch screen, the full keyboard, the trackpad, held effortlessly in literally one hand, it clicks. This is an absolute masterclass in portability. It's pretty much the dream form factor if you're always on the move.
But of course, extreme engineering doesn't come cheap. The MatePad Pro Max starts at €14.99. That is definitely a premium price tag for a tablet, putting it right up there with high-end traditional laptops. You're for sure paying a premium to get that ultra-lightweight, anti-glare magic.
Which brings us to the reviewer's final takeaway. Now, maybe it won't entirely replace a laptop for absolute heavy lifting or specialized legacy software, but they gave it the title of being worthy enough. If your day consists of managing emails, writing, browsing, and content consumption, it is more than capable of being your sole travel companion. It really feels like it finally crosses that line from compromised tablet to legitimate work machine.
So I leave you with this to consider. Weighing that brilliant anti-glare screen, the awesome trackpad, and the insane portability against the premium price and the minor software workarounds, is this the ultra-portable future you've been waiting for? Are you ready to finally leave that heavy laptop at home on your next remote work trip? Think about what you really value most in your daily workflow. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and keep optimizing your setup.